We did it again, boys. Locked in $42 or just shy of 3% today, and it was captured live during our live stream trading session with our LTE team. If you are not a member yet and this is your first time watching this, definitely consider subscribing to the channel first and then clicking that first link in the description. That is going to give you access to all my future live streams moving forward and all my past live streams that I've already completed with our Learn to Earn team. Guys, this is a 100% free lifetime access Discord. Okay, there's 300 spots left, but once we cross over 1,000 members, it will not be free any longer moving forward. So get in now while it's free and start watching those live day trading sessions with me and the team. Now, to go over the trade, we did a great job by capturing this sell-off by Bitcoin. Bitcoin sold off, had a very nice head and shoulders pattern, and as soon as it got confirmation, it had a huge sell-off and took MSTR with it. MSTR was floating on this moving average of about $160, and as soon as Bitcoin started selling off, it got rejected at market open, pushed all the way down to $154, creating a new low for MSTR. As you can see, Wednesday's low was around 155. This went all the way down to 154.12. So MSTR has a new low officially, and it has the potential to go even lower. Now, the overall market also pushed down today. It's very choppy. It pushed up to 625 and then immediately got rejected and sold off all the way down to 623.13, and it wasn't the low because pre-market low was 623.06, bounced off of that and went back up. So time of recording, the markets are very uncertain. There's a lot of consolidation and choppiness between this moving average right here. The markets don't know if it's bullish and it's going to continue to push higher, and it doesn't know if it's bearish and it's going to continue to sell off. But right now, all that matters is that we did a great job by locking in profits on MSTZ. We've seen opportunity here. We bought the opportunity. We had 100 shares at one point, buying at 1611, 1620, and the majority of our shares at 1630, pushed all the way up, and we sold 99 shares at 1659. It has not been able to get higher than 1669. We did a great job locking in profits or before it sold off, or else we would have gave back all of our profit and been only up maybe anywhere from $8 to maybe $16. So did a great job locking in profits. My only regret is we did not buy more shares down at this level. I was a little late to the live stream this morning. I would think I was about 10 minutes late, and I could have bought down here. The nice trade or the better entry would have been this area right here at crossover, getting a nice average share of about 1550. That would have resulted in a beautiful move, the same move that played out, but we would have had a lower share price. Instead of an average share price of 1617 and buying in this general area, we could have had a nice share price of around 1550, which would have been fantastic. That would have been our $100 day, buying at 1550, selling at 1659 would have resulted in $1 per share or 7% profit. Now on 100 shares, that would have been $109. But nonetheless, I'm still happy we took the trade, because there's always that, in my head, I was thinking I might not even take the trade. It's a little overextended. It's touching this previous resistance line here of 1620. And maybe I don't necessarily buy it, as it has gotten rejected off of this level before. And what it did was a great job by holding support at these new levels, creating a new support currently at 1620, and creating a new resistance level at about 1669. So MSTZ, we did a great job trading it today, locking in $42 or just shy of 3%. Right now, currently, it's at 2.65%. So we trade every live with our LTE team at market open. Today is Friday, and with that $42, we have actually locked in over $250 in the last week trading this only one company, and it was MSTZ. Now, this does not always happen this way. There's some days that I will trade other companies and we'll make more money or we'll make less money. There's some days that we lose money, but the point is making sure that we do our part by locking in those profits. Even 1 or 2% every single day can add up when you're profitable. Just like if you're taking our 1 or 2% loss every day, that can add up to significant losses. Now, by aiming for 1% to 2% a day in profits and having a risk of maybe 1% a day, you can slowly compound your account over time. By making 2% a day, 5 days a week, that's a 10% profit per week. Now, say you made 4 green days, 2, 4, 6, 8, you made 8% profit, and on that 5th day, say you gave back 1%. Well, you're still up 7% for the week in profit. That is why it's so important to make sure you minimize your risk and only having a 1 or 2% risk per trade, making sure you use stop losses on every trade, and you already know how much money you're willing to lose. I was only willing to lose about $10 today. So by having already made $200, 10 to 20 buck loss would not be a big deal. By knowing that $10 is not that much, I'm able to take emotions out of the trade and know, okay, $10 is the most I could lose. Let's go ahead and enter this trade when it makes sense. It made sense. I raised my stop loss to break even to where it was a risk-free trade. There was no potential for me to lose money, and that also takes emotion out. As it pushed higher, I raised my stop loss to where, okay, we're locking in $10 in profit. We're locking in $20 in profit. We're locking in $30 in profit. And then once I started to see consolidation at the top, I moved my stop loss up to 1660, and we guaranteed $40 in profit. Now, if it pushed higher, great. We'd make more money. We'd raise our stop loss higher. If it went below that stop loss, we'd get stopped out. We'd lock in $40, and whatever happened after that doesn't matter. And that's exactly how it played out today. We did a great job capturing it live in the Discord. That's the only place you can watch me trade live. So definitely consider joining. First link in the description, 100% free lifetime access. And we only have about 300 spots left. So get in now while you can, and have a great day and a great weekend. And we'll see you all Monday morning for another live stream at Market Open. Have a great day, guys.